In our ProFill mobile training video, we demonstrate how to test and calibrate the inlet and outlet conductivity sensors. Please refer to the ProFill mobile video for this operation. The protector prime can be used for either filling a system with demineralized water or for resin rinsing a system. In this video, we are going to cover the filling operation. The inlet connection is on the left and the outlet is on the right with the water meter. When filling a heating or cooling system, our prime pH resin is used. The prime 12.5 used 1 bag and the prime 25 uses 2 bags. Make sure that with a prime 25, you fill with the 2 bags and do not use the unit with only 1 bag of resin, as this will affect performance. Cut the corner of the resin bag to create a spout for pouring. Undo the eye bolts on the lid. Remove the lid and the seal and set aside. It's important to remove the seal so it does not get any resin beads on the surface, which will hamper the sealing. Fill the prime 25 with 2 bags of resin, ensuring you do not spill any resin on the floor. Replace the seal and the lid. And tighten the eye bolts. The connections on the prime are flat-faced, ready to accept a hose union, or you can fit a connector of your choice to suit your hoses. Connect the inlet to your available cold feed water supply and the outlet to a suitable filling connection on the system. Open the inlet valve and open the auto air vent. When full and all the air is released, you can open the outlet valve. The left-hand reading is the high conductivity of the incoming mains water. The right-hand reading is the low conductivity water entering your system after the water has passed through our prime pH resin, removing the impurities and controlling the pH by removing the carbon dioxide. The upper reading on the prime meter is the amount of liters of treated water that has entered the system. The lower reading is the filling flow rate. When the system is full, turn off the valves, disconnect and remove the prime unit. If there is still life in the resin to use on another project in the near future, then keep the water in the prime so the resin remains covered and does not dry out, and rinse before the next use.